Third team on the floor tonight as assigned by the NBA. A double team on Giannis to open the game. Cross court, Middleton, a three.
And they have the worst defensive field goal percentage at that range also. So it's definitely an area.
He makes up for the 2 free throws.
Well, and that's what the great ones do.
Giannis said, you know what? I know how to get those back. And he does. It's 12-5. Milwaukee leading New York.
At your beck and call.
Chris Middleton.
Welcome back, Tyler. But they wound up in New York.
Yes, they did. Giannis to the rack after the three-point play by Randall.
And great finisher at the rim. Strong, athletic.
Giannis felt that, sensed it, watched it, and executed it. Around the midsection.
There's that patience you were talking about, Jim. He sees Dennis Smith kind of stepping toward.
Bucks up 20. They've led by one more than that. Little shovel pass. Giannis is at the rim. Corbett. Giannis made his NBA debut.
Averaging like 39 a game right now. I mean, just Giannis at 31 with limited minutes.
Right on cue.
Giannis. And you're supposed to go underneath.
And now he has to deal with Julius Randle. He can deal with it.
Wow. He went mano-a-mano on that matchup. Kind of mano-a-mano going against Julius Randle. There's a lot of contact.
By Ernie Grunfeld. Giannis Antetokounmpo steps back, shoots over Taj Gibson. Counted his second triple tonight.
Defensive focus and a little bit of a breakdown on that coast-to-coast foray by Dennis Smith.
Okay, he has made 3 again. Giannis.
And he's been at 32% the last 13 games. What a difference a year makes. You remember this time.
Giannis clenching his teeth, driving, throwing it out in the net.
That's a goaltend.
That's going to be a goaltend. They're going to come at you with that one every time. You know that, right?
I know. I'll work on it.
She's playing coy.
Yeah, she can make those. Giannis has 29.